For this trick, the participant needs to shuffle the deck until they're happy, then spread the deck and take out 3 cards completely at random, but without looking at them. So maybe they take out this card, let's say they take out this card, and one final card, maybe this one, okay? 3 cards at random, they're not going to be looked at. Now, the deck's shuffled one more time, and the spectator will pick out a card from wherever they like in the deck. So let's say they stop me on this card, okay? Remember that card at home? Gets lost into the center of the deck. The deck's going to be mixed. One final task for the spectator, they're going to cut the deck and mark that cut wherever they wish. So now let's look at the 3 cards they chose. They chose the 8 of diamonds, the 2 of spades, and the ace of clubs. Ace is a 1, 2 plus 8, that comes to 11. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 11th card in the deck. The 3 of clubs. Would you just look at it? Would you look at that? Guys, I know it's almost the end of summer, but for me, the butterflies have just arrived. Okay, that was a disgustingly cheesy line, but you guys know how much I love marked deck of cards. You guys know especially how much I love the butterfly playing cards. Butterfly? Butterfly. I can't pronounce my L's and my name begins with an L. I should be called Lloyd. So as you guys know, I made a video. The butterfly playing cards have been one of my favorite ever marked deck of cards. There's only one drawback that stops me from using them all the time, which is the fact that they don't have borders. If they did, I'd be using them 24/7, 365. However, the genius behind them, Andrzej Panishka, my good friend, has finally solved that problem. He's now designed the butterfly playing cards to have white borders, and he has kindly sent me a deck to use today. So I'm going to unbox them right now. You can see everything is still intact. I have not touched them. I'm going to open them right here, live on camera. I'm going to try and unwrap these without breaking anything. Ugh, they're too good to break. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to have to come under here like this. Oh, I don't want to break it. Ah! Alright, here we go. I lasted now. Oh, look at this. Oof, that is sick. I'm going to also rip this paper too. You can tell how much... Oh! Whoa! What's this? Oh, butterfly sticker. Sick. Check that out. Hand-signed card by Andrzej. Dear Lloyd, I hope your family is happy. I hope you like these. Andrzej, September. Check that out. Ah. Yes, class act through and through. Here they are, here are the butterflies. Oh my god, they're gorgeous with the border. Yes, please, all day. The tuck case right there. So good. These feel amazing. Let's see how they fare. Get that King of Hearts right there. Oh my god. Oh, so good. Perfect. So guys, these are the butterfly playing cards workers editions. They're actually up on Kickstarter right now. I'll just tell you a couple of more interesting details. They're fully marked playing cards for value and suit. They also have something special in the corner to help you tell end-for-end reversals within the deck. And for those of you that are Juan Tamariz mnemonic users, the deck has a marking to let you know between the top half and the bottom half of Tamariz stack. They're actually incredible, and now I think it's probably the perfect time to learn a trick to go with them. Just before I teach you the secret, I'm giving away a deck of the original butterfly playing cards straight from my very own personal collection. this actual deck right here shipped to you for free anywhere you are in the world. If you'd like to be in with a chance of winning, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and comment anything down below. I will pick a winner by next Saturday and ship these to you wherever you are in the world. And if you like learning magic tricks like this and you want to learn hundreds more completely for free with brand new ones uploaded every single week, then being subscribed to the channel ain't such a bad thing. Alright, let's learn the secret. So the method for this is incredibly simple. You do need a marked deck. In this case, I'm using the marked bordered butterfly cards. You can use any marked deck, but there's something specific about these which I won't expose. You need to pick them up yourself to learn it, which I like, that helps make this a bit easier. But the deck is shuffled truly with a spectator. The cards are spread, and you're going to have the spectator take out 2, maybe 3 or 4 cards, whatever you like. As they do that, you're secretly clocking the marking. So if they took out this card, I already know this is an 8. Okay? So they take that out. I remember 8. Maybe they take out this card, which I know is a 4 because I can already tell by the markings. So 8 plus 4 in my head is 12. And they'll take out one more card. Maybe they'll take out this card, which is a 3. I know that's a 3 right there. That's 15. Okay, so as they're doing that, and I'm letting them be, I'm being a bit silent and just not talking too much, I quickly count up the total, which is 15. Now I have them take the deck, collect it up, give it another shuffle if they wish. Now I need to force a card at the 15th position. The way I do that is by doing something I learned from Danny D'Ortiz, which is I'm going to have them seemingly take a card out from the deck and place it back in. But what I'm secretly doing is counting 15 cards. So I count in 3s and 2s. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Plus another 3 is 13. Now I have 14 and the 15th card, which I'm aiming to force. If they don't take the 15th card, it's fine. So the timing of that looks like this. I'll say, look, I want you to go ahead. I'm going to run through the cards just like this, and I want you to take a card out from anywhere you like in the deck. So it doesn't matter what it is, just take one out. If they take that one, good. If they don't, I'm going to kick this card back so it makes a gigantic stick out at the back here and out jog. Okay? Let them take a card from anywhere they wish out. And I'm going to square the deck, but keep a break then above that 14th card, or beneath the 14th card. So there's 14 cards here. Once they've remembered their card, in this case the 6 of hearts, I'll turn it face up. I just say, look, we're going to place it back in. So I lift up 14 cards. They drop their card in face down. And now that's the 15th card in the deck. The reason why this is okay is because you're going to do a false shuffle anyway, or false cut. So I can do some false cuts. Like that was a terrible one, but like this. Whatever you wish. You can even have them do some false OC cuts, which you can learn from different places online. This is JOC cut. You can even just keep the deck as is, because ultimately you're now going to do a cross cut force, and you're not forcing the top or bottom card. You're going to use it just to force the position. So they're going to cut anywhere they like. Remember, the 6 of hearts is about 15th down here, and that's not going to change. So they can cut as many cards as they like and mark the cut with the bottom half of the deck. It doesn't matter, right? Now, for the cross-cut force to work, you need misdirection, time misdirection. And what better time misdirection than to finally bring these 3 cards back into play? So to do this, I just say, there was 3 cards placed over here before we began. You chose them completely at random. Nobody knows what they are. Let's see what they add up to. So now I have them add them up. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 8 is 15. 15, I say. And now I really let this play big. I say, look, let's think about this. I reframe. You took the deck. You shuffled it. You chose 3 cards at random. Nobody knows what they are. You then selected a card for yourself and lost it in the deck, and you even cut it deeper into the deck yourself. Watch. I lift this half up. I don't say anything, because this is actually the top card of the deck, but the way the cross-cut force works is that they never realize. So I place these cards here. I now allow them to pick them up, and I say, look, deal 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. If they've done everything correctly, or you've done your maths right, go to school, guys. Then there's 6 of hearts. It's right there. Oh, there you have it, guys. That's one of my favorite tricks that you can do with a marked deck, made especially better with the butterfly playing card, Marked Workers Edition. I can't recommend these enough. They're a complete powerhouse. It's like putting a Ferrari engine inside a deck of playing cards. There's literally limitless possibilities with this. So if you want to get your very own, head over to Kickstarter. The link is down in the description below. Inscription. I cannot pronounce the first letter of my words. I don't know what's going on. Hi, I've been on today. The link is down in the description below and up on screen right now. Ondrej is a class act. He's a genius thinker. Nobody will be disappointed with this deck of cards. I can't recommend them enough, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you thought about it down below. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a very special Sunday service live with Danny Goldsmith, the world's best coin creator, and I'll be back on Tuesday, as always, for another Tutorial Tuesday. See you soon. Peace.